We're gonna try something new. What up, YouTube? Welcome to Chef BoyarTony Part 2. I already started cooking. I forgot that I was gonna record some of this, but we're doing some veggies and steelhead trout, I believe. So right now we're just doing the veggie prep. I cut up some carrots, broccoli. Not really cooking, but I got a quinoa pack to heat up. We're gonna do the trout with lemon garlic herb, I believe. So, and this isn't really a meal prep. This is just kind of a dinner for me and Taylor. But I was thinking about not recording this part because onions always make me cry. Can't look like a bitch on camera. So, if you catch me crying, that's why. Ooh, here it comes. Ooh. Some steelhead trout from Aldi. Now, this is the first time I've cooked this, so not my recipe, just one I found online. But hopefully it turns out alright. And this just calls for some Italian seasoning, salt, and then afterwards put some lemon on it. Always use the best pink Himalayan salt. So we got the fish in there, skin side up, 3 to 5 minutes, and we flip it over. Veggies going. After the fish is cooked for 3 to 5 minutes, flip it over, cook it again. On the other side for 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to make the sauce go on top of it. All right, salmon's looking pretty fine. Take it off, scrape the skin off, and we start on the sauce. Meanwhile, veggies are doing pretty good. And the final product. Looks pretty good. So, it's actually a fairly quick meal. I think it took me about, with prep, 20 minutes. So, let me get 2 good pieces. Taylor's gonna have some for later. We got some quinoa and our veggies. So, thanks for watching. Sure there'll be more cooking episodes. See you later.